Most homes ask you to finish the story, the backyard you'll build, the upgrades you'll eventually make, the list of projects that somehow gets longer after closing. Every now and then, you walk into a home where somebody already made the hard decisions. And that's why I wanted to show you 1430 Roosevelt Street here in Dixon, California. But before we even step inside, take a look around. Wide streets, newer homes, a corner lot that actually gives you breathing room, no HOA, and just enough distance from the pace of Sacramento and the Bay to feel like you've finally exhaled. One of the things I love about Dixon is that it still feels like a community. People actually know their neighbors. Now let's go inside. One thing I noticed immediately, nothing feels like an afterthought. This isn't a home waiting for someone to finish it. More than $128,000 in documented builder upgrades. Not because someone wanted to impress the next buyer, because they wanted to enjoy living here themselves. The kitchen isn't trying to be the centerpiece. It just quietly does everything well. The GE gourmet appliance package, quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, everything exactly where you'd want it. No renovation budget required. And this is where life actually happens. Dinner with friends, movie nights, birthday parties, Saturday mornings that somehow turn into Sunday afternoons. One of the things that impresses me like crazy, the sellers have taken such good care of this home, I can't even tell that kids actually live here. This furniture, a lot of it is not staged, it's theirs. One feature I think you'll really appreciate is the loft upstairs. It's a place where the kids can make a mess and your guests won't even notice. I think the biggest luxury today isn't square footage, it's peace. And that's something that this room understands. With a spa-inspired shower, 2 walk-in closets, natural light, it's less about showing off and more about slowing down. You'll also find a full bedroom and full bathroom on the main level, whether it's for guests, a private office, or simply having flexible space that adapts as life changes. One of my favorite upgrades isn't something you immediately see. It's behind the walls. The entire home was upgraded with sound deadening insulation, including between the first and second floors. The 3-car garage, also fully insulated. Those aren't upgrades that photograph well. They're upgrades you'll appreciate every single day. Most backyards become someone's future project. This one's already become someone's favorite place to spend the evening. Dinner under the gazebo, coffee outside in the morning, friends around the fire pit, and the lawn, ready for whatever your weekends look like. A lot of homes ask you to imagine what they could become. 1430 Roosevelt in Dixon already knows. It's finished, it's intentional, and it's ready for whatever chapter comes next. I'm Claudia Dirksen, your local Dixon, California realtor, and if you'd like to experience this home in person, I'd love to show you.